The skin brushes let you paint a realistic skin texture. You can use the split view button to have two windows open with different zoom levels. This helps to keep an eye on global changes and fine details. As a quick dodge and burn alternative, you can try our highly effective skin paint and fade technique, where you can use the coarse pigmented skin brush from the first button, or the medium fine pigmented brushes from the second or the third skin brush button. Then pick a skin color to paint the tones and texture. Similar to dodge and burn, pick a highlight skin tone if you want to lighten the skin, and a medium dark skin tone if you want to darken the skin. The fade tool comes in very handy to blend in every brush stroke perfectly. Also make sure to resize the brush to match the skin texture size. Compared to dodge and burn, which is a slow buildup of the effect, our skin brush paint and fade technique shows the changes in real time. You don't even require a lot of precision, as you can fade in to blend your brush strokes. You can also use the Alt Option version of the first and second skin button for slightly different textures. The mesh-like brush stroke blends in so realistically without leaving any artificial trace behind. Layer icon with paint and fade, you can unify details and blend tones in one brush stroke. All you have to do here is choose the skin highlights color, match the brush size to the skin texture, and then paint in the texture. And use the fade tool to blend your brush strokes. With these skin brushes, you can unify skin texture 10 times faster than traditional dodge and burn technique and get amazing skin details.